Bringing you the real starry show, a globe Milky Way star projection lamp. This is Galaxy Projector. Allow me to unbox and have a test with this device. By the way, I purchased this through an online shopping app. The box itself is a manual also, so there are 3 adjustable angles that this device can project. Then it's written it has 12 galaxies disc film, promised to bring a colorful starry night. So it is a 5 watts LED HD projection, innovative structures with realistic planetarium projector and rotatable projection like an orbit movement with 12.5 wider projection area. And even the cover a written reminder that this device will work only in a dark environment. So try to have time reading with it, as this will help to understand the functions of this device. So inside the box is this microfibers cleaning cloth. Clean only the film if necessary and don't apply so much pressure in cleaning as it can damage the quality of the film. Then this user manual with different language translations. Then you will have 2 small boxes containing 6 pieces of discs film, and in the box it is written a guide how to put the discs properly. At the end of this video, I will be showing every disc how this disc film looks like when it projects. See how tiny it is, but when it projects, it's amazing. This Galaxy Projector for bedroom comes with 12 display scenarios. So these are the different kinds of disc film you may choose. The first option is this solar system. Earth. Moon. The Milky Way. Galaxy. Andromeda Galaxy. And this NGC 4302 NGC 4298. Hubble Deep Field. M60UCD1. North America Nebula. Mystic Mountain. And the last is the small Magellanic Cloud. Watch at the end of this video as I will be showing how this disc's film looks like when it is projected. Included in the box also is this Type-C USB cable, which is great. A reminder it's a plug-in type means that this is not powered by battery. And this supports 5 volts and 1 ampere input power capacity, so smartphone travel adapter can be used as most of those has input capabilities, and the length of the cable is enough already. Well, if you wanted to have longer wire, then you may purchase separately. You can have it in any online shopping app. And of course, the last item, this Galaxy Projector model number BLDQI02. It is made of plastic, a rounded shape design, very light in weight. By the way, you can purchase an all-black color version. So these are the buttons, the timer button, speed adjusted button, and the power button. Then this is the focus adjustment knob. and a Type-C port that supports 5 volts input power capacity. This is how you can position the device. Well, if you notice in the box, it is written 12 discs film, but actually it has 13 pieces, and extra discs, which is inside already in a disc tray. Check how the discs was positioned if you notice the upward. Every disc has that sign, means that if you put the disc, the word up should be in upward position and readable. Actually, when you plug in the device, it will automatically turn on. And don't worry if you forget to turn off when you fall asleep, because after 4 hours of usage, it will turn off automatically. But in every 40 minutes, the device enters the breathing projection, means that the rotation speed will go slow. But you can set 1 hour or 2 hours playing time, so it will turn off the desired time you want to play. And the light indicator will be in the playing hours you set. Then you can set also the speed or the rotation movement you want. When the light indicator is in S negative means slow rotation movement, if in S plus movement will be a bit faster. Check this all 13 disc film, see how it looks like. So what's your thoughts about those 13 galaxies scenario? For me, this device is worth buying for. The build quality and the function makes it perfect, making your room lively. And for the kids, this is really entertaining for them. And that's it. If you think there's something lacking in this video, you may comment below. Your comments is highly appreciated. Don't forget to subscribe and like as well. Thanks for watching.